There's a war going on. Not out there, but inside your mind. Every day you wake up, you're hit with noise, voices, opinions, doubt, fear. People telling you who you are, what you can't do, what you'll never become. And the worst part? Some of that noise is your own voice. The lies you repeat, the doubt you believe, the past you won't let go of. That's the noise. And none of it will make you better than you were yesterday. But then there's the signal. The signal is quiet, but it's powerful. It's truth, it's purpose, it's who God created you to be. The signal says you are not your past, you are not your failures, you were created for more. The signal is God, it's family, it's real people who lift you up, not tear you down. It's discipline, it's growth, it's the voice inside you that says, keep going. You have a choice every day. Tune into the noise and stay exactly where you are. Or lock into the signal and become who you are meant to be. Because the difference between being lost and being led comes down to one thing: what you choose to listen to. Restored life after. Focus on the signal and watch your life change.